nandito ulit tayo sa Community Thrift Store. Ayan. Tingnan natin ang ating mabibili. Okay. Dito tayo sa community. Unahin natin yung mga ano doon, electronics sa kabila. Yan. Pero dito tayo muna sa katabi niya, sa electronics furniture. Ang problema dito ay parking. Hirap mag-park. Hanap tayo ng parking. Wala, hirap. Oh, shoot. Meron ako nakita na unahan pa ako. Okay, yan, nag-park na tayo dito. Layo pero lakad na lang tayo. Okay, let's go. Thrift store time. Dito tayo sa Community Thrift Store. Let's go. Uy, ito oh. Gusto ko to. This is nice. Kunin ko to. $14. Check. Oh. How do you pull it? Garden. I-measure niya kasi kung may time ako. Almost 10 feet. So exactly 9 feet and 119. Same size, right?
Yeah, all around that.
10. Oh, okay. You're pushing it on that side. Yun, pinupush yun doon.
Yes,
I think it's gonna be 10. Yeah. 10 feet. It's 10 feet by this is 1 feet, this is 11 inches.
11 inches.
10 feet by that thing is 11, right?
Yeah, 11 inches.
Okay. How much is it?
25.
Yeah, I'll get it. How much?
Oh, red. Let me see. Let me see. It shows a little bit. Yeah, $24.99. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna get it.
Alright.
Can you unfold it, please?
Yep.
I'm gonna shop still, okay?
Alright.
Okay? I'll get it, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. Ano, ganda siya, kukunin natin. Ayos yun para sa garden ko. Thank you. Check natin. sure kailangan ko to. Medyo mahal. Kukunin ko to. Pang punch pag nag-drill ka. Ito natin. No.
Yeah, okay.
I'm just gonna put it. Ang makalimutan.
It's gonna be 63 whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that one 270, 39.
Thank you. All right. Thank you. Ayos. Ayos yan para sa garden ko. Tools 60 plus. Let's go. Ayos ba? Ayos. Hey. Natin sa car. Medyo malayo ang parking ko eh. Nice. Tayo sa community thrift store. Doon tayo galing kanina sa furniture. Dito sana naman tayo. Madamit. Tingin-tingin lang tayo. Yes. Ito lucky brand to eh. Ayan mo. Large. Check din natin dito sa Super Bargain kung anong meron. Tingin-tingin lang. Parang thrift store din to. Cute to. Oh, meron silang ano. Kaya
4:30.
kano to? Mahal siya, 35. Hello. One is it $30? I'm asking for 20 or 25. Okay. Now?
I really can't. Trust me, if I can, I will.
This is a Volt color.
I promise you, it's a really, really good deal.
Okay. Okay, I'll take it.
Is it going to be
Ah.
cash or card?
Gosh.
Okay, it's going to be 44.20.
Burberry?
Yes.
Can I see it? Please? Meron na akong ganito binigay ko ng book. That one. Ito naman yung meron akong ganito. How much? This is your
It's
Burberry.
300.
300. Okay na rin siya. So, good deal, huh?
It's an amazing
Actually, I
deal.
have one like this, but smaller.
Yeah? This is an amazing
I
deal. Original.
gave it to my son. Yeah. All right.
You want to see anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. You have a wonderful day.
You too. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Okay?
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Okay, I got this bolt and the dragon. Ilalagay ko sa jacket ko. Okay, that's it. Babush. Kaya mga kailangan ko to. Kailangan eh. Kailangan bilhin. Bolt. Oh my goodness. Oh, gutom ako. Bili tayo dito sa Spirit, Texas. Spirit, Texas. Yung gusto ko dito yung smoke. Sarap yung smoke nila dyan. Let's go. Hi. I want the meal. Huh? The meal, the chicken.
Okay, cool.
How many hours did you smoke?
The chicken?
Yeah.
I'm not too sure. I think it's like
Ganda mo.
10 hours.
Oh, wow. 10 hours.
think so.
So it must be.
I know the brisket, that one takes like 14 hours.
Oh, it must be good then.
Very, very soft. After that game, so it's just a combo. So it's gonna be with cash or card?
Cash.
Cash. One is cash.
Yeah. Can I switch it with water? If you have bottled water?
Yeah, yeah. Oh
Yeah.
no, we just have those bottles. The water is gonna be in that fountain.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You still do it.
Yeah, yeah.
Give me cash or card?
Cash, cash.
He's gonna give you cash, and then it's give me the amount, and he's gonna give you.
Okay. Kaya ko kasi ng soda. Kakain na tayo. Yun, no? Chicken. Sarap to. Spirit, Texas. 10 hours yung pag-smoke nila. Yum yum. Okay, dito natin tirahin sa sakyan yung binili natin. Yan na. Kain tayo. Smoke ng ni-smoke 10 hours na smoke. Meron pa siyang looks good. Pang-umaga. Rice. Almost na 19. Lambot. Harap. Ating rice. Sikchi, yung kanyang balat. Sauce. May sauce siya, chili sauce. Yung mangang. Sweet chili sauce. Ito spicy. Spicy to. Bigyan natin yung rice. Yan. Gutom na eh. Sarap. Nahuhulog. Sobrang lambot. My goodness. So good. Chicken nila smoked for 10 hours. Grabe. Enjoy natin. Almost $20, man. Salt. Ayos. Cravings natin. Chicken ng smoke for 10 hours. Grabe. Almost $20. Oh my God. Sarap. Dito na ako sa sakyan kumain. Grabe. So good. Parang yung rice nila parang cauliflower rice. Yum yum. Grabe. Sarap. Chicken smoked for 10 hours. $20 ba naman? Hindi nga sasarapan dyan. 10 hours na na-smoke. Oh man. Grabe, napakasarap. $20. Pagod sa pag-ukay-ukay, di kakain tayo. Grabe. So good. Busog na ako. Ayos. Grabe, sarap. $20 na ano, chicken. Kano sa atin yan? 1,000 isang piraso. $20. Ayos. Babush.